guys, today we're going to look at this Caseology screen protector. It's a tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and for the iPhone 12 in general. Caseology are one of my favorite brands for iPhone cases, so I'm looking forward to giving this a go. Let's crack on. As you guys know, I've tried a few options now that are alternative to tempered glass. So I thought I'd give tempered glass a go, and why not try Caseology? They're a great brand for cases, and so they seem to know what to do around protecting your phone. So I thought I'd try this brand. I really like their cases. Just so you know guys, in case you're interested, I bought these myself. Caseology never sent me these. I'll also say that I've never been a big fan of screen protectors, and in the last, I don't know, 14 years since I got the first iPhone, this is not it, but it was about that 2006, 2007. I only had one screen shatter. So I've been quite happy to take my chances so far. But with this ceramic shield that is coming with the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 in general, I'm not sure. There's been quite a few reviews that they're scratching quite easily. So I'm not going to take that risk this time. It's quite an expensive phone, and this is why I've been trying some different options when it comes to screen protectors. I've been very impressed so far with the non-tempered glass options from Mouse and Rhino Shield. So I'm really curious here to see how a tempered glass option compares with those. Right, let's get into the unboxing. What I like it straight away is that it comes with two protectors and not the usual one. Some brands send two, some send one. Another major positive for me is it comes with an applicator. Again, not all brands send you something to help you install it. This is the installation kit, some dust removal stickers, some cleaning wipes, a squeegee, feel a bit more higher quality. Okay, some instructions for us to read. I'll do that for you, don't worry. And the protectors inside, another bit of plastic here. So as you can see, yeah, two of them. Before I go through the installation, just a few things here that they promise. So one, of course, is this scratch resistance. Be very careful when you read this, guys. You know, it says 9H surface hardness. It refers to the Mohs scale, which was invented around, I don't know, 200 years ago. And it goes from 1 to 10. Normal glass is around 5, and the glass that comes with the phone is usually around 5 to 6 in that Mohs scale. So diamond is around 10 on that scale. This scale is quite arbitrary anyway. The other factor that you need to take into account here is that 9H, which is what they're claiming here, refers to the scratch tests using the hardest lead pencils. Pencil lead hardness ranges from 6B to 9H, hence 9H here. The protector has been tested against scratches from the hardest pencil. That's what it means. What I really like is fingerprint resistant. This is a good one for me. I'm curious about this, and we'll try and demonstrate a before and after here. As usual in these packages, there's a whole load more of marketing gibberish, quite frankly. But there's one here that caught my eye. Advanced silicone adhesive will not form bubbles. Caseology, you had me a hello. I'm really keen on that one because I've, you know, for example, with the Rhino Shield, I had a real problem with the installation. It didn't come with something like this to help you install, and generated quite a few bubbles, which I never could get rid of, and in the end, just got annoying. Really looking forward to trying that one. Right, let's install it. Guys, sorry to interrupt. I'll be very brief. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, have a look around after this video. And if you like my stuff, it would be great if you could subscribe to my channel. There's loads more coming up. So make sure to hit the notification bell as well so that you don't miss out when I release a new video. Right, let's crack on. Just make sure your hands are clean as well before you do this. Get rid of any marks on your screen. Probably use a light to make sure that there's no dust on it. Next step is to put the applicator on top of it. It says top, so align that with the top of the phone. And the final step before installing the protector is to make sure that there's no dust. So use the little stickers that they send to remove any dusts or bits of fiber that's on the screen. Take one of the protectors out of its sleeve. So the next step is to remove the back sleeve. So this little tab here will help you do that. Get that out. Very carefully not to touch the protector itself. And then just align to the applicator, like so. Then as per the instructions, press the top and slide down. And you should see here already the bubbles disappearing. That was actually quite satisfying to see. Cool, once you're happy with this step, you can remove the applicator. And then you can remove this sticker here as well. And then finally, using the squeegee, probably better to leave it on the desk, but just want to show you a bit closer. Cool, and that's that. Once all the bubbles have been removed, I have to say there's a tiny little bit here that still I'm not happy with, so I might remove it and reapply it. But other than that, it's really good. It feels nice. The edges, amazingly, because it's tempered glass, I was expecting this to be quite rough around the edges. I'm really surprised at how good it feels actually, just playing around with the phone. It doesn't really feel that there's a protector in it. It's really nice and smooth. Sometimes you might forget and you put it in a bag or in your car, and it might be with a coin or something. You know, this will protect against all of that, which is fantastic. But I feel quite comfortable now putting my phone screen facing down without a case, because I know there's this nice layer of protection here. It's quite nice. I've got an Apple case here just to make sure it doesn't interfere with the case. So yeah, the case sits nicely as well. You can see the edges of the protector a lot more than you can with other protectors. With the other protectors, for example, you just have a cutout here for the speaker, whereas this tempered glass from Caseology, it's interesting that they kept the notch on the protector, and I guess that makes sense that they don't want to interfere with the sensors and the front camera, which is a good thing actually. Yeah, just using the phone as normal. Absolutely no problem at all. The fingerprint thing, it's a marketing thing. It doesn't really stop. After using the phone a few more minutes, you can see the fingerprints are definitely there. So it's not really that resistant. You know, as long as you keep your phone clean and your hands fairly clean, it is not too bad to remove them. It's also quite nice that it doesn't interfere with 3D touch, you know, the pressure that you apply on the screen. I think sometimes people might want to show off the beautiful design of their phone as well, and perhaps using a case is not the most convenient for them. So I like, for example, sometimes, especially if I'm home, to go naked in a way, just wear like a wallet at the back to protect the back at least, and at the front you've got the screen protector at the front. So it's quite a nice way of keeping your phone protected while at home. If I go out, I probably will put a case on, to be honest. I am quite clumsy, so if I go out, I'll definitely put a case on. Bye guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, have a look around the channel. If you like my stuff, it'd be great if you could subscribe as well. We're now over 500 subscribers. That's amazing. That was the goal for 2020. Now let's move forward and go to the next target. Let's see if we can get to 1,000. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.